Number 2 is second verse, same as the first, same idea here. So you've got some real world unit, but you can't do anything in real world unit. You got to do everything in Mole Town there. So what did they give you? They told you that you had 1,000 grams of gasoline here, octane. And what do you want? You want to know how many liters of oxygen you're going to get, but they told you it was 800 millimeters of mercury, or torrs, and it was 25 degrees Celsius, so again, that's 298 Kelvin here, so that's 298 Kelvin, and that's what they gave you. So again, you can't just take the 2 and go straight to the 25 over there. It doesn't work that way. You have got to go from real world to moles, moles to moles, and moles back into real world over here. So our first step is real world to moles here. I have to take into account the fact that this stuff weighs 114 grams per mole. Remember, I ignored that 2. That 2 does not help me right now. I don't care about that 2 right now. I only care about that 2 when I am going from there to there. We'll deal with him in a minute. So I divide that out, and I should get about 8.77 moles when I do that. Now I want to move across town, so now I have to do my mole conversion. I'm going from a 2 to a 25, so I'm getting bigger. So that's going to be 25 halves based upon that, which means it should be about 109.6 moles that are there. Now I want to get back out of this town, but I want it in liters of a gas. So if that's the case, then I'm going to have to use PV is equal to nRT, except that I want the volume. So if I rearrangeify everything, it's going to be that the volume is equal to nRT over P. You can plug things in here and go to town. My moles is going to be 109.6 moles. My R is going to be 62.4. And again, that's millimeter liters per mole Kelvin. My T is going to be 298 Kelvin. And my P is going to be 800 millimeters of mercury. If you plug everything in, you should end up with your answer up here to be about 2,549 liters. Or if you try to round that to 3 sig figs, that would be about 2550 liters that are there.